Hello, Zalalam here from 2620 Isaac Tube. Today we will discuss about relational operators. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like my videos, like, comment and share. This is a follow-up from our previous lecture on operators in Java. We have exercised on arithmetic operators and bitwise operators. You'll find the link down below. Today we will follow with exercising on relational operators, and relational operators in Java include the equal to sign or the equality operator, which is denoted by double equal signs, and the second is not equal to, and the symbol for this is exclamation followed by an equal sign. And we have the greater than relational operator, which you know it from your math class, and greater than or equal to operator, we symbolize this operator using the greater than sign followed by an equal sign, and less than, and we have got the less than or equal to, which is denoted by the less than operator followed by an equal sign. So let's go to our ID and exercise on relational operators. So here we are in our ID. Let's exercise on relational operators. First, let's define two variables. And b to be 5. So to use relational operators, we will exercise them in detail while we are discussing in control statements, but for the purpose of our exercise here, let's say we have a Boolean result. Okay, so here the output will be from relational statement relational operator of equality, let's say b. So here, if we print out result, okay, we will expect the output of this expression, equality operator expression, the value of the variable result. So let's just run this one and see the result. So since 7 is greater than 5, 7 is equals to 5 will be false, and we have got false result. So we can also reassign result as a greater than b. Okay, and if we print out this one, to make it our exercise easily understandable, let's add some text to it. Okay, of is, so we can print this statement and make this one as well like this. Okay, so let's reassign result to be greater than or equal to b. Okay, and paste this one as well. And is equals to a less than b. So we have the relational operators of equal, and then we also have to check for the other relational operator which is not equals to b. So we have got here Boolean as a result of this expression, and we see the result here, and then not equal to operation. Because 7 and 5 are not equal, we expect a true value here. Okay, and a greater than b, which is true, so we expect true here, and a greater than or equal to b, that's also true. 7 is greater than 5, and so this statement is true. And a less than 7, which is false one, and we expect a false result here. And less than or equal to is another relational operator that we have discussed, and the result of this statement will be false. We expect this to be false. So let's compile this one and see the results of our exercises. So here, as you can see, the result of a is equal to b is false. That's correct one. A is not equal to b is true. Okay, it's not equal. So whether it's less than or greater than the value, it's not equal, so the outcome will be true. And the other is a is greater than b, so 7 is greater than b, and we get the value of true. Greater than or equal to has got the same output as well. Less than is a false proposition, so we get a false result. Less than or equal to as well is a false proposition, that's why we get a false result. In our next chapter discussion on control statements, we'll use relational operators as a condition expression for our control statements, and we will discuss them in detail. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time.